Hello children, today we are going to start our chapter Ginger Ran Away. This chapter related to a cat. So, hello children, meet Ginger, Maya's cat. He lives in Maya's house. So here we are talking about Ginger. Ginger is a cat and Maya's is a girl. So Ginger lives in Maya's house. Ginger did not get dinner last night, so he is very hungry. It is morning. Maya goes to school. Mummy goes to work. Maya goes to school. Mummy goes to work. They again forgot to give breakfast to the Ginger. So they forget to give Ginger breakfast too. Last night they forget to give dinner, and in the morning they forget to give breakfast. So Daddy also forgets to feed Ginger. So Ginger is feeling tired and weak. So Ginger feels tired and weak. Tired means थका हुआ और weak means कमज़ोर. So Ginger को क्या लग रहा था? बहुत ही थका हुआ और कमज़ोर महसूस हो रहा था. So Maya came back from school. Mummy is already back from work. So Maya came back from school and Mummy also came back from her work. She has still not given any food to Ginger. They again forgot to give Ginger food. वो फिर से भूल गए उसको खाना देना. So Maya takes Ginger to the garden to play. After coming from school, she changed her clothes and takes Ginger to the garden to play. Ginger does not want to play. He wants to eat food. You also, when you feel hungry, then you also don't want to do anything, na? So that's like Ginger does not want to play. He wants to eat food. उसे खाना खाना था. Ginger sees a mouse. He wants to eat the mouse. Ginger ने क्या देखा? Mouse. He wants to eat the mouse. The mouse runs out of the garden gate. तो mouse कहाँ चला गया? Garden के gate के बाहर चला गया. So Ginger too runs out of the gate. Ginger does not come back. Ginger भी gate के बाहर चला गया. Why? Because he wants to eat the mouse. He feels hungry, so he just go out of the gate and wants to eat the mouse. But Ginger does not come back. So that's why the chapter name is Ginger Ran Away. Now we have one exercise. Just underline the correct option in these sentences. One has been done for you. Here we have some sentences. Ginger is a cat or dog. So who is Ginger? Ginger is a cat. Ginger is Maya's or Sumi's pet. So whose pet? Maya's pet. Ginger is feeling happy or tired. Ginger is feeling tired because he is not having his breakfast and dinner. Maya takes Ginger to the garden or kitchen. Maya takes Ginger to the garden because he wanted to play with him. Ginger sees a mouse or rabbit. Ginger sees a mouse. That's why he just go out of the gate, right? Next is read these questions and take the correct answer. Why did Ginger not want to play with Maya? क्यों नहीं खेलना चाहती था माया के साथ? Because he had not eaten at all or because he was feeling sleepy. So because he had not eaten at all, क्योंकि उसने खाना नहीं खाया था and he feels weak and tired. Next is why did Ginger run out of the gate? Because he wanted to play with the mouse or because he wanted to eat the mouse. Ginger gate के बाहर क्यों गया? Because he wanted to eat the mouse. क्योंकि उसने खाना नहीं खाया था और उसे भूख लग रही थी, इसलिए वो गेट के बाहर चला गया.